Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something incredible. A 5-minute workout that can replace an entire hour in the gym. Yes, you heard that right. Not everyone has the time or energy for an exhausting gym session. And let's be real, sometimes life just gets in the way. But skipping exercise altogether? That's not the answer either. That's where quick, high-intensity interval training comes in. It's fast, effective, and burns a ton of calories in a short amount of time. In this video, I'm going to guide you through 5 simple exercises that will take just 5 minutes to complete. You don't need any fancy equipment, a gym membership, or even a stopwatch. I'll be counting for you so you can follow along right here while watching. These exercises are perfect for beginners and seasoned fitness enthusiasts alike, and they target key areas like your legs, glutes, core, and upper body. By the end of this, you'll feel energized, not drained, and you'll be one step closer to transforming your body. Ready to get moving? Let's jump right in.
This is going to be great for strengthening your thighs or your quadriceps, as well as your butt or your glutes. And it's also going to be great to work on your posture.
Exercise 1. Squats, 60 seconds. Here's how to do it. Place your feet shoulder-width apart or just a bit wider. Start crouching down, pulling your pelvis back as if you're about to sit on an imaginary chair. Go as low as you can while keeping your back straight. This is key to avoid strain and maximize results. Then, push back up to the starting position, engaging your leg and glute muscles as you rise. You'll do this for 60 seconds, and I'll count you through it. Let's go. Here we go. Start squatting. Pull that pelvis back, keep your back straight, and lower yourself down. Feel those leg and butt muscles working? Great job. Squats are a powerhouse move because they target multiple muscle groups at once. If you do this exercise daily, you'll start noticing changes in your body within just a month. No gym needed, no excuses, just pure, effective movement. Keep going. You're halfway through. Imagine you're sitting back into that chair, nice and controlled. Engage those glutes as you come back up. You're doing awesome. Only a few seconds left now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing work. Take a quick breather and let's move on to the next exercise. Exercise 2. Push-ups, 30 seconds. Start in a plank position with your arms straight, hands shoulder-width apart, and your knees, shoulders, and feet forming a straight line. Slowly lower your body by bending your elbows, keeping them close to your sides. Then, push back up to the starting position. If full push-ups feel too challenging, try doing them on your knees or with your hands resting on a sturdy surface like a chair or sofa. We're going for 30 seconds here. Let's do this. Here we go. Lower yourself down, nice and slow, then push back up. Keep that core tight and your body in a straight line. If you're on your knees, that's perfectly fine. You're still getting a great workout. How many can you do? Let's aim for 10 solid push-ups in this time. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. If you've got more in you, keep going until the 30 seconds are up. You're killing it. Great work. Push-ups are such a versatile exercise, and they'll help you build upper body strength in no time. Let's keep the momentum going with our next move.
So start in the push-up position, like this. Try and keep your weight over your hands, very important. Hips nice and still, okay? Then we're going to raise one leg, and then we're going to jump and switch legs. Now both feet need to land at the same time, like this, okay? Try and keep your knees inside your elbows. You're going to do a total of 50. Now 50 reps, if you just count one side of the leg, or one of your legs, you'll know how many to do. So,
Exercise 3. Mountain climbers, 30 seconds. Get back into that plank position just like you did for push-ups. Tighten your abs, lift your right leg, and pull your knee toward your chest. Keep your back and hips stiff and stable, no sagging. Return to the starting position, then do the same with your left leg. Alternate legs for 30 seconds, keeping your movements controlled and your posture strong. Ready? Let's go. Start moving. Right leg in, left leg in. Keep it smooth and steady. This one's all about core strength and endurance. If you're feeling the burn, that's a good sign. Don't rush. Focus on form over speed. If you need a break, pause the video and catch your breath, but try to keep going. You're almost there. Let's crank up the energy with some more intense music. Keep it going. Right, left, left. You're doing fantastic. Only a few seconds left. Push through. And time. Awesome job. Shake it out and let's move on to exercise number 4. Exercise 4. Lunges, 60 seconds. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and place your hands on your hips for balance. Take a big step forward with your left foot, bending your left knee to form a right angle. Your right knee should almost touch the floor. Push off your left foot to return to the starting position, then repeat with your right leg. We're doing this for 60 seconds, alternating legs. Keep your back straight and your movements controlled. Let's get started. Step forward with your left leg, nice and deep. Push back to standing, then go with your right leg. Left, right. Keep alternating. Make sure your front knee doesn't go past your toes, and keep that back straight. You're halfway through. Stay focused. This is a great exercise for building lower body strength and stability. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. One more exercise to go. Exercise 5. Jumping jacks, 45 seconds. Let's finish strong with jumping jacks. This full-body exercise is a staple in military training because it boosts aerobic endurance and gets your heart pumping. It's the perfect way to wrap up our 5-minute workout. Start with your arms relaxed by your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs to the sides while raising your arms above your head. Then, jump back to the starting position. Keep your shoulders and neck relaxed and find a steady rhythm. We're going for 45 seconds. Let's do this. Jump out, arms up, and back in. Keep it going. Feel your muscles working? That's the sign you're doing it right. Jumping jacks are great for getting your heart rate up and engaging your whole body. If you're feeling energized, you're on the right track. Keep jumping. Almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You did it. Do this workout every day at home, in your backyard, or wherever you are, and you'll start seeing your body transform within a month. Have you tried these exercises before? How did they feel today? Drop your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're doing. If you enjoyed this workout, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Keep moving, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next one.